Okay. Look, my name is Rajan Kumar. This video is on coordinate geometry regarding mathematics for class 10th. Look here. One question I am going to discuss here. Point P divides the line segment joining the points A and B. So A having coordinate 2, 1 and B having coordinate 5, -8. And point P is on this line, which coordinate is unknown. Okay? But P will divide AB in two parts. One part is AP, another part is PB. And the ratio of length ratio of AP and PB is 1:3. How it is 1:3? We have to understand. Look at this. So here it is given such that AP by AB equal to 1/3. So if AP is 1 and AB is 3, so PB will be 2. What is given? AP by AB 1/3. AP is 1 and AB is 3. The PB is 2. So AP and PB ratio 1/2. Okay. So we have to find the coordinate of P by the ratio 1:2. AP by PB 1:2. So we find the coordinate of P. Okay. Till here, let me complete. The coordinate of point P, let the coordinate of point P is x, y in the form of variable. So here 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2. 1 into -8 plus 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2. Clear? So 1 into 5, 5, 2 into 2, 4, 5, 4, 9, 9 by 3 become 3. And 1 into -8 plus 2 -6 by 3 -2. Clear? That this is a point P which coordinate is 3, -2. Clear? If line L intersect AB at P, from the same point, again I have drawn the same figure again. So at the same point P, line XY is passing, and this time P coordinate I have, that is 3, -2. Okay, so P is the point of intersection of line segment AB and line L, which coordinate is given 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Okay, so AB and line L intersect at P, and P coordinate is 3, -2. Okay. So what the value of P? It is used for AB also and line L also. Clear? The value of P is 3, -2. That value P, this is the x value of P, I put in the place of x in this equation. And this is the y value of P, I just put in the place of y in this equation. The 2x minus y plus k equal to 0, x value 3 and y value -2. The 2 into 3 -2 plus k equal to 0. It is 6, it is plus 2, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, it will go that side, k equal to -8. This is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. By this we can find the value of this. Now, second question it is, look on this. Now, second question, look. Second question, if 3, 3, 6, y, x, 7, and 5, -6, 5, 6 are the vertices of parallelogram okay, taken in order, find the value of x, y, find x and y. Okay, this is a parallelogram, my dear. This is a parallelogram. the point of A, B, C, D is behave like the vertices of this parallelogram. Okay. Now AB parallel CD, AD parallel BC. The coordinate of A 3, 3, B 6, Y, C x, 7, and D 5, 6. Okay, we have to find the value of x and y. As we know that diagonal bisect each other at a point O. Okay, so OD equal to OB and OA equal to OC. Listen what I will do there. In a parallelogram ABCD, the coordinate of A, B, C, D are given, and O is the midpoint of AC and BD both. What I will do? We just find the coordinate of O with the help of A and C, and again we have to find the coordinate of O with the help of D and B. So what is the value of O by AC and BD? We have to correlate. Okay, so what I will do? Solution it is through diagonal AC. Yeah, through AC. Coordinate of O is 3 plus x by 2. 3 plus x by 2 and 3 plus 7 by 2. 3 plus 7 by 2. Because O is the midpoint of AC, so we can use the midpoint theorem, midpoint formula. x1 y1, x2 by 2. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 3 plus x by 2, 3 plus 7 by 2. Okay, in short form we can say 3 plus x by 2 and it is 5. Now through the BD, we have to find the coordinate of O. Through BD, coordinate of O, what will come? 5 plus 6 by 2 and 6 plus y by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2 and 6 plus y by 2. Clear? That is 11 by 2 and 6 plus y by 2. We just equate the coordinate of O from both of the diagonals. Okay, on equating the coordinate of O from AC and BD both. Okay, now 3 plus x by 2, 5 equal to 11 by 2, 6 plus y by 2. Okay, now these are equated. 3 plus x by 2 equal to 11 by 2. Okay, so x equal to, here it is 8, and 6 plus y by 2 equal to 5. So 6 plus y equal to 10, y equal to 4. Okay, so x value is 8 and y value is 4. That is the design. Clear? Now, some more concept. Okay, some more points as a literary. Some more points. Number 1. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and AC equal to BD, then ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Okay, this is number 1. In quadrilateral ABCD, if AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and AC not equal to BD. Okay, then ABCD is a rhombus. Coming. Wait. 2 minutes wait. In collateral ABCD, if AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC and AC equal to BD, then quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Number 4, in quadrilateral ABCD, if AB equal to CD, AD equal to BC and AC not equal to BD, then quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? In a quadrilateral there are 4 points, all points coordinates are given. Okay, with the help of distance formula if we find the value of AB, BC, CD, AD, AC and BD. Okay, by the help of distance formula, if all sides are equal, diagonals are equal, then it is a square. It will prove. If all sides are equal, diagonal not equal, it is a rhombus. Clear? If opposite sides are equal and diagonal equal, then it is a rectangle. If opposite sides are equal but diagonal not equal, then it is a parallelogram. So by this way, we prove it. The given quadrilateral is a rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, a square. Okay? I think so you understood. Let me complete the video.